Hi and welcome to this episode about Simutrans. Today we take a look on how to move the line from the old station to the new without causing mail drop. I saw a possibility to install new station in my town, so I do that. But now to decommission the old station. The old station contained a lot of mail. We want to save that mail because they are representing money. If we don't save the mail, we can simply move the line. It is quite safe because this station here and this station is part of a triangle. But if the station are along dead-end road, if you don't move it properly, you can cause mail drop in other stations because you break the possibility to transporting mail everywhere in the country. If you don't want to have mail drop anywhere, this is how you should do it. It is important to do this in the right order to avoid mail drop. And it's a good idea to save the game before you start it. If something goes wrong, you can always go back to the old copy. We need a mail track which moves mail from that station to that station. So look up the depot. Build the mail track. There it is. So we simply use an individual schedule for this job. To that. It doesn't matter if it are above ground or below. They will move the mail anyway. But we want the mail track to stop driving back and forth when the station is empty. So we will have 100%. And now send the mail track out. You can also verify that you can see the mail track in both stations. So if we take up, the wrong building, that building, and detail on both stations, we should be able to see mail track 57 in this case, and 57 there. There are the mail track. We should wait for this mail track to come up and show what happened. You actually don't need only the mail track coming out. This will work well. Come on, come up. Alright, there. They don't load this mail track up. The reason is in this station. There is no line assigned to this station. So we need to move the line before they start moving the mail. And because of we have a triangle, they maybe don't start to moving the mail directly. The important thing is that they don't drop the mail. So we again look up, and I think we start with Hepton, my town. Line 50. We take up Hepton 2. And we now move the old line to the new station. Because the old station are at the bottom, we can do an add here. We go below ground because they should deliver the mail underground. Can verify that that is the old, the new station, and that should be the old one. And you see that there is a halt sign. Now we know what should be removed, that one. And below ground, that is still there, but they can start in Hepton. So Now have we moved the first line. Because we have a triangle now, they can start sending mail through the other mail delivering station, probably your town. The important is that they don't drop the mail. There is 2000 mail in Hepton and 2600 in my town. Let the time rolling. And stop the time. Alright, they choose to move the mail through your town instead of sending it to the new station. That is because there is one extra link with this track. But let us now move on and move the mail through your town to the new station. So my town, your town, there. Edit again. My town is on the top this time, so we need to do an insert here. Go below ground. There. That is the halt sign on the old station. That is number 2 we should remove. And they can start in my town. And if we go underground again, yes, the link have been moved to the new. And now we let the time rolling and see if they're doing a mail drop or they start sending the mail through the new central station. They don't drop any mail, they are still around 2600 here and 2000 here. But they have to start sending the mail through the new mail station here. So that have happened. The mail truck have now loaded up, so they have 60 bag and they have just start driving. So that means that they now start to empty the old station. So I should now move on and move the other line in this station to the new station. So old line from that station to the new one. So the only thing left to do is to simply wait for the old station to be empty. But that is a waste of time. So let us simply continue with the expansion. So the important thing from this part, try to save the mail. It can actually be a lot of money to save, especially if you have a lot of more mail. It maybe take longer time for you the first time you work with mail and doing a stop and fixing new industry and so on. So you can have several tens of thousands of mail back to save in the station instead. There is, however, a fast way to do this. And you don't speed up the time. You simply work with 2 mail track. So you work with 2 expansion line instead. So you build the station, send out the truck, move the lines and so on. Move on to new station, doing the same principle there. Now you're emptying 2 stations at the same time. Now you move to new town, so you start working with station number 3. Build a new station. Move to new town. Build station number 4. And hopefully station number 1 is now empty. Now can you send the mail truck to station number 3 and start empty there and remove the old station in town number 1. So you simply work with 2 mail truck and utilize the time as much as possible because it takes some time for the mail truck to drive up to the new station and empty it and so on. So you're doing simply several stations at the same time. That is the fast way to do this. But for demonstration purpose I only switch 1 station at a time now. But when you are more experienced, simply do it several stations at a time, at least if you want to save time. So now should I start to saving time by simply doing the same process in Hepton and give them a new central station underground. That was everything I have to show you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. In the next episode we take a look on how many mail trucks you need in a town, how you increase the number of citizens in one town, and what to do when an old station is empty. Thank you for your time.